in one of most high-profile abortion cases since the fall of Roe v. Wade. Texas woman is fighting state to terminate her high-risk pregnancy. It's a legal dispute that, like Texas law, could have ripple effect for many. One of the most stringent tests in the country is being tested. Kate Cox, a 31-year-old mother of two, filed a lawsuit last week to end pregnancy, which she and her doctors say threatens life and future fertility. The case triggered a tense legal battle before the eyes of the country. A 1973 U.S. Supreme Court decision established that abortion before fetus viability is a constitutional right. Here's what we know so far about Cox, and what her case reveals about the state of abortion law in post-Roe America. Cox's name became public on December 5, when she filed a lawsuit against state of Texas asking the court to declare that she had right to terminate her pregnancy. Cox was 20 weeks pregnant when she filed the lawsuit. She's fetus was diagnosed with a rare and fatal genetic disease called trisomy 18. I am trying to do what's best for my daughter, myself, and my family, but we're suffering because of the laws. Texas. Cox wrote in a column about her abortion fight the Dallas Morning News. Nearly all pregnancies end in miscarriage or stillbirth, according to the Cleveland Clinic. The clinic says more than 10 of babies who survive their lifetime do not survive past their first birthday. What do Texas laws say about abortion? In 2021, Texas banned abortions after fetal cardiac activity is detected, usually around 6 weeks of pregnancy, before many people know they are pregnant. When Supreme Court struck down federal abortion rights the following summer, a trigger law went into effect. This law essentially blocks all abortions except when mother is at risk of death or serious impairment of a major bodily function. An abortion is performed or an abortion is performed. Exactly what is necessary to preserve the mother's life is a major area of debate. Cox's doctors informed that hands were tied and that she would wait for baby die inside or carry pregnancy term, at which point she would have a third C-section. Just watch suffer until the baby. Lawsuit states. How did the courts react? On December 7, a district court judge ruled that Cox could legally terminate her pregnancy. Following the ruling, Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton warned Cox's doctor that Cox could still face civil and criminal penalties at some point if he were to undergo this procedure. This procedure may include first-degree felony investigations and fines of at least $100,000 for each violation. Paxton asked the state Supreme Court for emergency intervention, arguing that Cox's pregnancy did not indicate that it threatened her life. On December 8, the Texas Supreme Court temporarily blocked Cox from receiving the procedure. Then on Monday, the Court of 9 Republican justices issued a decision and opinion siding with Paxton and overturning the lower court.